now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we're looking at a pretty quiet condition across the region now. A few scattered showers dot the landscape, but nothing heavy, and these are fast-moving showers, so total rainfall accumulation is not going to be that great this morning. As we head into the afternoon, we might pick up a shower or two. Isolated thunderstorm not out of the question, but we're still in this kind of dry slot between the spinning spiral bands of Alberto and down to the south. A lot of deep tropical moisture plumes still lifting northward. Now that might be a better rainmaker for us tomorrow, but today I don't think we're going to see a whole lot of action out of this. I think Miami will, Key West will. Certainly Cuba is getting inundated with rainfall. The spinning area of low pressure, which is still subtropical storm Alberto, continues to lift northward, probably making landfall up around Pensacola as we head into the early afternoon. That storm system could produce some flooding along this concave section of the Florida Big Bend region where water just kind of piles up. Levy County could see a 3-foot storm surge there, so that could be significant for them. 65-mile-an-hour winds, forward motion just a little bit slower, and that's the reason why heavy rainfall may be a potential problem up there. Now, around the bottom edge of this storm system, some drier air indicated by this tan color moved in yesterday. That kind of put a squash on afternoon rainfalls. Actually, yesterday's forecast early in the morning and through the afternoon worked out pretty well. Exactly what we thought it would do by the time we got to 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Even on Friday, there were hints that this would occur, and luckily it did. Also, the dry air really just spinning all the way around the circulation of Alberto, kind of limiting its development. So nobody's expecting it to become a hurricane, but it will probably either maintain the intensity that it has now or maybe even slightly decrease as it moves northward. For us, tomorrow, this moisture lifts northward. That brings us better rain chances at that point. 79 degrees, the current air temperature. We have south wind, still breezy at about 20. Rip current advisories, small craft advisories, all up today. Watch the future cast. We started with kind of that dry air over us, bringing us an isolated shower or two this afternoon, particularly in inland areas. And then tomorrow, this moisture kind of lifting a little bit further northward and bringing us better chances of rainfall as we head into Tuesday. Alberto continues to lift northward, expanding as it's absorbed by a frontal boundary and wringing out its rains, producing some very impressive rainfall totals up there, maybe 7, 8-inch rainfalls possible, especially as it moves into the more mountainous regions of Georgia. Tomorrow, those showers close in on us. We have a south wind today at about 20. That'll probably linger through most of the afternoon on open, frictionless waters, bringing us a 15 to 20 knot wind during the overnight as winds begin to subside just a little bit, but still for boating. 5 to 7 foot seas, choppy conditions on bay and inland waters, not going to be good out there for small craft, and so small craft do have an advisory issued for them. As far as our forecast goes, well, today we'll top it out at about 84, breezy, but only a 30% chance of showers today, mostly after about 5 o'clock tonight. And then as we head into tomorrow, our rain chances will go up to about 80%. Daytime high held down by the cloud cover and those kind of frequent showers. And then over the next several days, we'll probably get back to that standard 40 to 50% chance of afternoon storms.